This is the Takahashi unboxing laptop, Windows 8. Alright, so this is on the back. Open it. I already unboxed it, but this is what comes inside. The charger, plug into the wall, some papers, quick tour, quick start, a Takahashi, $20 something, I don't know, and some camera, 3D camera stuff, 15% off. Alright, this is the Takahashi. The side, 2 USB ports, the earphone, headphone, Ethernet, HDMI cable goes right there. And there's another cable somewhere. Some blah blah. Charger, another USB port, and the drive, CD drive. So when I open it, that's what it looks like. Yep, power button right there. Hit the power button, the lights light up. So the screen says. Wait till it loads up real quick. And if you don't know, this is how you put this in there. Yeah, I bet you know that. This is Windows 8, so we got a new update. Press enter. It says put in password. Put in my password. It says welcome. My name, welcome. And this is, I deleted most of the apps that I had up here because they were not being used. But this is what I have. A whole bunch of stuff. And you could go to this desktop, or you could go to wait till it loads. It's pretty fast. Pretty fast. So, yeah, you can go to this desktop. There's 2 different desktops, I guess. There's this one. Yeah. This one. And there's this one. So that's it for the unboxing of my new Takahashi.